How to fix Huawei Nova 13 keeps dropping call. So let's start the video. First of all, reinsert your SIM card, and after reinserting your SIM card, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button, and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on system and updates. Now click on reset. In second, you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and check your software updates. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.